Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Klink Airdrop season 1 eligibility criteria. We are going to look at their latest update on September 5th, and if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell notification. You can as well join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. So we are going to look at their latest update. They said, "Good morning, clickers. This is a reminder. Don't miss your spot in Klink Finance Airdrop Season 1. They are just giving us a reminder. So if you are currently mining Klink, you have to make sure that you have met the following airdrop eligibility criteria. The first one is to link your Telegram mini app to your Klink mobile app. Klink has an app and they also have a Telegram bot. They said you must link your Telegram mini app to your Klink mobile app. You can download it either in iOS or Android. Just go to Play Store and download it. Register it. Make sure you use the same email you use for your Telegram. Then you can now link. I have a video on that. I will also attach it in the video description. Now the second airdrop eligibility criteria is to earn $1 plus from featured offers. You have to earn $1 from featured offers. So you have to do the featured offer. I'm also going to show you the featured offer. Then the third step is to stay active. Log in within 30 days pre-TGE. You must be active to this project. If you are not active, it may cut you off from being eligible. So make sure you are active within the next 30 days pre-TGE. Now they say submit your self-custody BSC network wallet via app update. I have already made a video on how to submit your base Ethereum on this Klink app. So go to that video and watch it so that you know how you can link your self-custody network. They said extra rewards. Check the mini app for new tasks. So new tasks has been added to the mini app. They say don't miss your spot in the upcoming Klink Finance airdrop. Something coming soon, and guess, so something is coming soon, so make sure you are active. So coming to the app or the website, you do your daily claim. Now you can now see it's showing me connect Ton wallet. I need to connect my Ton wallet again. So go and recheck if your own Ton wallet is still connected. If it is not connected, you connect it back. Now you click on connect wallet. Done. So it's going to take us back. Here you have the mining, you have the boost. You have to perform all these tasks to be able to mine, to start mining. I have 9 tasks remaining to start mining. Look at the offers. If you click on the offers here, these are the featured offer. They ask you that you must earn at least 1 USDT. All these things here are the featured offers. So take your time, look at the one that you can perform the task so that you can earn at least 1 USDT. It is difficult, but if you can do it, try and do it. Now this one, if you perform this task, is giving you 6.8. If you perform this one, 14. If you perform this one, so make sure you perform at least 1 or 2 tasks that can give you 1 USDT. Now if you go to the task section, these are where you perform the task. They have the join the community, they have the social tasks, you do them, and they have the partners. Make sure you participate in these their partners and earn the reward. Very simple. So they said here you must be active. Make sure you are active. Even if you are not performing every other things, make sure you join the project and be active. Stay active, do your daily check-in, and make sure you connected your Ton wallet. You link your Telegram to your app. You are good to go. So I believe you got value from this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.